Vaisakhi, Vishu, Puthandu, Mesadi, Vaisakhadi and Bahag Bihu are being celebrated with great fervour. President, Vice President and Prime Minister have greeted the nation on the occasion. President Pranab Mukherjee in his message expressed hope that the bounty of nature continues to shower its blessings on hard-working farmers. Vice President Muhammad Hamid Ansari has said that these festivals associated with the onset of harvest season reflect the rich agrarian traditions and composite culture of our country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his message has expressed hope that these festivals will herald happiness and prosperity for mankind.
And as per the Sikh and the Hindu calendar, Baisakhi marks the beginning of the new year. It is also considered as the festival of harvest in many states. Here's a special report.
The festival Baisakhi falls on the month of Vaisakh every year and is celebrated on 13th of April. It marks the onset of Punjabi New Year and thus is celebrated with much pomp and show. The festival also has agricultural significance attached to it, for this festival marks the time of harvest of Rabi crops. On this day, farmers thank God for the good harvest they have had in the previous year and also pray for the same in the coming year. The festival of Vaisakh is of great importance to the Sikh community, as it was on this day way back in 1699 that the 10th Guru, Shri Guru Gobind Singh, laid the foundation of Panth Khalsa. Vaisakhi falls on 13th of April, Misha Sankranti, the first of the solar month of Vaishakha, which marks the start of the solar new year across many parts of the subcontinent using luni-solar calendars and is important for Hindus. The festival also coincides with other New Year festivals celebrated on the first day of Vaisakh in some regions of the Indian subcontinent, such as Poila Boishakh, the Bengali New Year, Bihu of Assam, or Puthandu, the Tamil New Year. On this auspicious day, temples are decorated in south and people welcome the new year. In Assam, people prepare traditional dishes and celebrate Bihu. Although with time the style of celebrating festivals might have changed, but the trust and faith in these festivals can never end. Jyotika Grover, DD News, New Delhi.